This is the landing page of our mobile app. Once you click join, you'll be able to either log in, sign up, or join as a service provider. The login process is very simple. You'll enter your email password and log in, and you'll be transferred to our homepage where you'll be able to see different posts made by different users. What makes our app special is these 5 features. Once you click on the feature icon, you'll be able to see 5 different features such as pet vet, marketplace, adoption, events, and pet salon. If you click on pet vet, you'll be sent to a page where you'll be able to see the different vets. But where do these vets come from? Joining as a service provider is very simple. And after you check the terms and conditions, this is very simple business strategy. Service providers will have to pay us 10% of their income. And they will do that because they are getting access to a large network of pet owners. And once they click agree, they'll have to give us different verification licenses. Once they provide every single of their license, they'll be able to submit for review, and they'll be sent to their dashboard page. In their profile settings, they'll be able to add their profile picture, their degree, and other descriptions. Only after they've made these changes to their profile, they will appear in a user's vet list page. Now, if I click on vet, I'll be able to see the profile I had just created. If you click on filters, you'll be able to filter out the vets. Clicking on vet, I'll be able to see their descriptions and their appointment time. If I click on any appointment time and book now. Once the vet confirms the booking, I'll be able to communicate with them and give them a review. As you can see in the upcoming appointments menu, the vet can see if a user has placed an appointment. They can choose to either reject or accept the appointment, and they can also see the full details. They can choose to message the client. Once a vet accepts the appointment, the user gets notified in their order history section, and they are able to leave a review. Once you submit a review, it will instantly show up in the vet's profile. Now let's assume that the user doesn't want to get a vet appointment. Instead, they want to see what the symptoms of their pet is. So we have added an AI pet health checker. If the user clicks on the AI pet health checker, they will be asked to fill up a checkbox, and our AI will give them the top 3 possible disease by predicting from the given symptoms. The real question is, how do we as business owner keep track of the vets? Well, we have made an admin panel, separate admin panel, which is also online, just like our app. Here in the admin panel, we will not only be able to see the documents sent by a new applied vet, we'll also see the appointments history booked by users. And the app commissions will be automatically calculated in our finance section. We can review documents, and if we approve vet, then they will be able to have a check mark on their profile. The check mark appears on the vet we just created. The next feature I'd like to show you is pet salon. Just like pet vet, you'll be able to book salons. And once you confirm, the booking is placed and the pet salon owner gets informed about the booking. The third major feature of our app is marketplace. Here, users will be able to buy different kind of pet products. Unlike pet salon and pet vet, the marketplace owner are sent to a different kind of dashboard because they are basically a business. Here, they will be able to add products to their page. As you can see, our shop appears in the list of pet shops. If we click on the cart, we'll be able to add the info we need to complete the payment. Our fourth feature is a simple adoption feature. Here, users will be able to either adopt pets, put their own pets for adoption, and check the history. In the new pet feature, they will be able to see the pets that are currently posted for adoption. In Rehome, they will be able to put their own pets for adoption. If I click here, the pet appears in the new friend section. As another user, once you enter adoption, you'll be able to enter here and check booking or text the owner first. Once they enter register, they'll be able to see that in my rehomes, a person has sent a request. The reason we have built this feature is to not profit off of the users, but to create user retentions. Our only business features are Pet Vet, Pretzel, and Marketplace. The other two features, this feature adoption and our final feature events, is for only the user's retention. Final feature events, here you can see the events that the community is currently hosting. You can choose to participate in those events and have a better bond with the pet community, or you can choose to create your own event. Once the event is created, it will show up in the My Events section. These were our major features, but we have more big features in our project. For example, this is our posting feature. Here you can add posts. If I go to a post that another user has made, I can either click here to follow them. I can choose to go to their profile and give them a follow so that the message option appears, and I will be able to communicate with them as the friend. They will also have to follow us back. I got notified when this user commented on my post, or followed me back, or liked my post. Since our social media is based on pets, what if a user chooses to not make a post about pets? Well, we have a solution. If a user gives any unrelated, irrelevant post that does not include pets, if you head to content and feed, as you can see, the post that the AI marked irrelevant post appears. We can choose to either delete the post, warn the user, dismiss, or even ban the user completely. We can choose to either warn the user. If you click on warn user in the notification section, the user will be warned. Now, if we choose to ban the user, once the user tries to relog in, they won't be able to because their account has been banned. The user can also use our searching feature to search for users or post, like they search cats. Lastly, this is our messaging feature. Here you'll be able to message the people you're connected with. Hi, let's hop on a voice call. Or I could send them a cute image. Hey, look at this cute cat photo, cat selfie. Okay, let's hop on a voice call. As you can see, I can hear my own voice. Groupmate is sitting beside me. I can hear my own voice from his phone. We can also use the video call option. Since I'm on emulator, my camera isn't working. Shafi, please mute. We have both muted, and since I'm on an emulator and he's on the phone, his camera is working and mine is not. Thanks for watching.